Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming connectivity and your credentials. Once done, open Settings and tap your name at the top. You need the device passcode to proceed, so enter it when prompted. If two-factor authentication is on, prepare the trusted device or phone number to receive a code. Make sure you are on a stable network, because Apple servers must validate changes. This step prevents lockouts and speeds up the verification process. Once you open Password and Security, tap Change Password to begin the actual update. You will verify with your device passcode, then type a new password that meets Apple's requirements, usually 8 characters, a number, and an uppercase letter. Make sure the new password is unique and memorable, and avoid reusing an old one. After typing it twice, tap Change or Save. The system updates your Apple ID across devices, so make sure you have other devices nearby. You finish by signing back into iCloud, the App Store, and any apps that prompt you. This keeps syncing and purchases working. Make sure Keychain updates if you use it, so passwords autofill across apps and sites. If an app still asks for a password, force quit it and reopen. If you cannot sign in, use Account Recovery or a trusted device to receive recovery codes. This is the one key troubleshooting step that will get you back in without losing data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.